Despite the uproar, Taylor and her pals didn't let the controversy dampen their night out. While Travis Kelce and the Chiefs were gearing up for their game against the Los Angeles Chargers, Taylor, Brittany, and Lindsay chose the vibrant Spago restaurant for their evening escapade. The Chiefs wags certainly know how to make the most of their time, even during game weekends. The New York Times op-ed, authored by Anna Marks, sparked debates about the ethics and morality of such pieces, especially considering Taylor's massive success. The essay suggested Taylor might be hiding her sexuality due to her affinity for queer identity. Swifties and personal pals alike expressed their displeasure, questioning the double standard applied in publishing such content. As Taylor and her friends dined at Spago, our exclusive coverage revealed that they spent more time talking than eating, touching on serious moments interspersed with laughter. Taylor, in her trademark style, wore a stunning black dress with knee-high boots, making a statement. While Taylor is in the running for a Golden Globe for her Era Tour documentary, her attendance at the awards ceremony remains uncertain. With the Chiefs' last regular season game clashing with the Golden Globes, will Taylor choose to support her boyfriend or grace the red carpet in Hollywood? The Chiefs have already secured their division title, allowing coach Andy Reid to rest star players like Travis Kelce and Patrick Mahomes ahead of the playoffs. The drama surrounding Taylor Swift's night out and the controversial New York Times op-ed has set the internet ablaze. As the speculation continues, we'll be keeping you updated on this unfolding story. That's a wrap for today's video. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, this is Celebsplore Hub, signing off.